The new mascot is... Hey guys! My name's Layla, and you're watching my video. Yeah, that's right. You clicked on this video. The package will never come. Oh my god. It did come. My freaking god, it came. I know it took a while, but I did refund my order. And now my dad's gonna get the money, and now I have it. Sorry I didn't get to do the actual unboxing video because I was way too excited and I opened it right on the spot. But I will kind of do an unboxing video because she's going to be my new mascot. Oh my god, I love her so much. Oh my god, oh my god. I wish I had Instagram so you guys can vote, but I don't freaking know how to vote stuff. Giant, what is this called? Freaking kazoo? Anyway, I'm not gonna show her little by little. I'm not gonna show her little by little because, oops. She's so popular, you guys will probably already know her. So, shoot, my god. First of all, I'm so low quality. The reason why this camera keeps moving is because of this. What the freak is this? What the freak? Anyway. I'm gonna kind of do an unboxing video, so like, settles. Rest in peace, headphone user. Oh, hey. Not today, mother floofers. I promised you there would be a new mascot, so, and the new mascot is... Hi! Well, I don't know about me. Okay, well, I'm taking over the channel. I'm taking over the channel now, so Layla's like my best friend now. So she will still be like doing stuff. Congratulations! What's her name? Luna. Luna, you're fired. Congratulations. Ah, poop! Oh, poop. I thought she hated it. Mwah, 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 mwah. Mwah, 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 mwah. I don't have enough money for editing, so I'm just doing the sounds of music. Mwah, 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 mwah. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Mwah, mwah. Mwah, mwah. What about me? So I'm the new mascot. My name is Sky Marinette Hamilton. And her name is, you already know my name. My name is freaking Luna. My name's freaking Layla. My name's freaking Layla Paddington. Okay, there you go. Layla. I don't have a last name. I don't freaking have a middle name, okay? Like, let me live. What the fuck? Well, I hope you liked that video. And I didn't come with this. It didn't come with this. I already had this. So I hope you liked that video. I hope you like the new mascot and stuff. So I'll be changing my profile picture in a while. So thank you for watching.